I'm Anastasia Eden from kindearth.net, and today in my kitchen I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a delicious tahini sauce. So let's go take a look. Okay, so tahini sauce is something I love to serve with falafels. If you want a falafel recipe, I've just made my beetroot falafel recipe, highly recommended, so please do follow the link for that. So tahini, it's really important that you buy a good tahini. Some tahinis are bitter, other tahinis are creamy, smooth and light. So I'm going to leave some links for you. I know in the UK, Suma, Essentials, Cipressa, Sanita are all good brands of tahini, and the supermarket brands tend to be really good as well. And if you go to a Middle Eastern shop and buy tahini there, they really know what they're doing. So just make sure that you buy a good tahini. It shouldn't taste bitter. It should have this delectable light creaminess to it. Okay, so tahini sauce is really easy to make. You're going to find that there's oil usually at the top. This is a natural thing that happens, natural separation. So we want to take about 100 milliliters of tahini. So in a jar like this you get nearly 300 milliliters, just to give you an idea for size. So we're going to take about a third of the jar. I want to mix in that oil a little bit with the tahini. So remember, that oil is just a natural separation. I'm going to put about a third of the jar, and then I'm going to add in about 50 milliliters of water. That's about just over 3 tablespoons of water. And then I'm going to stir it in, and what you'll notice about tahini, if you do it with a spoon, it's going to coagulate and it's going to get really sticky. But if you're persistent, then it turns to a thick cream really quickly. So I want 2 tablespoons of a nice apple cider vinegar. 1, 2. About half a teaspoon of sea salt. You can also add shoyu or tamari instead of sea salt. And then I'm going to add a couple of heaped tablespoons of ground coriander. If you want to crush some garlic and add some garlic in there, then go ahead. Now, depending on the thickness of your tahini, you're either going to need more or less water. So if in doubt, add less. And remember, this one's creamed up really, really nicely, but sometimes it's all sticky and it coagulates. So if that happens to you, just keep persisting. If you keep persisting, then it'll work a treat within like 30 seconds, 60 seconds. So there you go. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can use lemon or lime. And if you're happy with that, it's good to go. You couldn't get much easier than that if you tried. It's super simple, it's delicious, it works a treat on falafels or veggie burgers. It also goes really nicely on salad. So thank you for tuning in. I'm Anastasia. Please do check out the recipes and other happenings on my website, kindearth.net. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.